This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook spaghetti and meatballs. Start by preparing your delicious meatballs. You'll need 1 pound of ground meat, 1 egg, about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Gently mix these ingredients together in a large bowl, being careful not to overwork the meat. Then, form the mixture into roughly 12 to 15 meatballs, each about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. Once your meatballs are formed, it's time to sear them. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of olive oil. Brown the meatballs on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove them, then add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1/2 cup of water, and your preferred Italian seasonings to the skillet. Return the meatballs to the sauce, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes. While your meatballs are simmering, let's get the spaghetti ready. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. Carefully add 1 pound of spaghetti to the boiling water, stirring occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick together. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions, usually for 8 to 12 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. Now for the best part, serving your incredible meal. Divide the perfectly cooked spaghetti among your plates. Then, generously spoon the rich, flavorful meatballs and sauce over the pasta. For an extra touch, sprinkle with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a bit of chopped fresh parsley. This classic dish is always a crowd pleaser, so gather your loved ones and enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.